Hello world, it's Curtis Potter with Boundless Motivation. Today I wanted to come and remind you that you are a gem. See, some may think that a gem is like a precious diamond, but actually the definition of a gem is a person or a thing that is considered to be outstandingly good or special in some respect. See, you're one of the millions of sperms that actually made it. You are the one. So you are special. You was chosen to be on this earth for a reason. So you are a gem. You are amazing. You're special. You're great. And you can achieve anything you want in life. But see, the thing is once I had started to really pay attention in life, when I stepped into this platform of motivational speaking and leadership and coaching, I've talked with a lot of people who knew they were a gem. They knew they had something special inside them. But unfortunately, life has a tendency of smacking you in the face, throwing you curveballs, and sometimes they're really hard to handle. You may not see it coming. You get stabbed in the back. You get fired from a job. COVID, there's so many things in life that can be thrown at us. We don't know how to handle them. So I heard this acronym in this coaching class that I've been taking, and it's called AIR. See, we all have to breathe. We got to have that air. And it's when you get derailed, you have to acknowledge, you have to interrupt, and you have to replace it. So, being quicker at doing that is awesome. But on the same token, how can you guard it? How can you try to prevent it? And I think it comes with consistency and persistency. So I put together my own acronym for how to aim to guard your inner gem. So for aim, I put appreciation, intentionality, and maps. You got to know where you're going. So aim two. So two is your tools and your ownership. You got to take ownership and use the tools you have to get you where you want to be, so you can stay on that GPS, that map. Now, guard is goals, unity, accountability partner, read daily, and discipleship. So having somebody that you allow to keep you accountable, so even when you're struggling and you may not see it, then someone else can be there to keep you in place. And I'll tell you, just like this past week when we volunteered and you're helping others, it just puts you on a whole new level. So the A is to take action. And then gym, for me, it's God, exercise, and meditation. There's all these little things that seem to be little, but when you continue to work and aim to guard your gym, you are a gym. And if you guard that every single day, then I believe that will prevent you from having so many derailments, so much of that roller coaster. And, this is just life's lessons. So if you know anybody that has been derailed more times than they want to, they've hit their head against the wall over and over again, or just a couple times, you see somebody getting stuck and that they want to move forward in life. They don't want to be stuck. Nobody wants to be in that uncomfortable position. Then please like, share, comment, tag somebody. If you have any other things that you would like to add to this aiming to guard your gym, please put it in the comments so that way other people can see different tools that you've used or things that have helped you not get derailed. So I love you all. Thank you for continuing to follow along on this journey of us all becoming boundless and getting through this crazy life that's thrown at us. I love you all. I hope you have a great day. And remember, you are a gem. You are special, and you can achieve anything you want in life. So you know the drill. Be boundless.